this is obviously, aimed directly at the heart of the problem, which is that, from a liquidity standpoint, you have a ton of banks sitting on very underwater, both HTM and AFS portfolios, given what we've had happen in the bond market. Now, that's getting less bad as rates have come in significantly, but nevertheless, that position is still tenuous for many banks. So obviously, this is designed to significantly ease these liquidity dynamics. So as far as, sort of undoing what has been done, to contextualize the holdings on the Fed's balance sheet effectively since last summer, sort of the June-July time period, 2022, had come down on the order of, right around $500 billion. So just over 500 billion. And that's, as part of the QT framework, where they were supposed to be, targeting 95 billion a month in runoff. It's less than that because of the MBS prepay dynamics. But nevertheless, in the last, call it 8-9 months, they've wound the balance sheet down by about 500 billion. And now with what's happening, they're really going in the opposite direction again. So total assets at the Fed are up about 300 billion or so. And that's in the span of a week. So you've obviously unwound a pretty significant chunk of, what you were trying to do, which was obviously pull liquidity out of the system. So that's kind of a quick tour around, what's happened in the last week or so, and how that sort of fits into the broader picture of what the Fed's been trying to do here for a while now. We've been in this sort of, deteriorating sort of quad four, credit condition set for a while. And things are sort of just starting to get interesting on that front. And then all of a sudden you interspersed that sort of backdrop with this, very sort of short-term liquidity crisis, obviously triggered some significant bank collapses. But and we're addressing that, or the government's trying to, but that doesn't really do much of anything to address the broader backdrop, which is this ongoing contraction from a credit quality standpoint.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.